Hello friends, welcome to my famous YouTube channel to watch more creative videos on Streamlit. Lot of problems, a lot of worries are going in my life, but the show must go on. Doing videos in Streamlit is something wonderful. It looks very pleasant, and the GUI screen is very nice when you do the program using Streamlit. So I've done a lot of videos on Streamlit, such as image detection, age and gender detection, face recognition using picture, chatbot, login tutorial, image steganography, attendance system. Streamlit is something like a front end, you may say, to machine learning, not like a React and Node.js. I have done one video on that. I explained that what is the actually front end Streamlit means. Today's video is all about face detection from image and live face detection. So let us go through the main file, Python file. This is main file. Now I will execute the program. Yes, a nice screen is displayed in front of you. First we will click on image. Today we'll take the image of favorite actor Ankush Chowdhury. Yes, face has been detected. Very nice. Now one face detected from the image. Try adjusting the minimum object size by size if we missing anything. We can do adjustment here. Okay, something has gone. Minimum object size in pixel. Here it changes. If I do object size changes, then it doesn't comes, and if I do, there it comes, bounding box, green, and this thing. So that is the power of Streamlit. Now bounding box color has been changed, so that's why I'm telling it is a front end tool. Yes, bounding box color changes. Nice. Now why not Ankush Chowdhury? Can I take my image? So you can download the image also. So here I will do webcam. Yes, my image, take photo. Yes, face detection has been done. We can take this, we can done this, then okay, it is not detecting. Yes, fine. Yes, fine. So I successfully done with face detection from image and live face detection. I hope you like this video. I done this video in Flask. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more creative videos on Streamlit, machine learning, face recognition using MySQL, face recognition using MongoDB, and also face recognition using SQLite. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.